Hi, welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a great product. These right here are eye treatment masks. They have anti-wrinkle as well as moisturizing effect. These masks are infused with a blend of collagen, 24K gold, as well as hyaluronic acid in a wide variety of natural plant extract so that way you can deeply rejuvenate the skin under your eyes. To use them, it's very simple. First of all, make sure you clean and dry your face and then go ahead and apply them under your eyes. Make sure you leave them for no more than 20 minutes, and once you remove them, you're gonna gently massage so that way we get all the product absorbed. And there you go. You're gonna be looking radiant and rejuvenated after you wear them. I really hope you will enjoy this product, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.